My name is Lena. I come from Panama. This is my fourth time coming to Medjugorje, and this is my second youth festival. I think the first time I came here I was about 16 years old. Now I'm 22. And ever since I came for the first time, I've always felt in my heart that this is my home, my place, and I've tried to come back ever since as often as possible. I think in Medjugorje you can find a sense of peace, of inner peace, a peace that the world cannot give you. Even back home in the community where I belong to, we follow Medjugorje's spirituality. We follow what Our Lady says in her messages. But something about Medjugorje and coming here really speaks to me in a way that it's like a reminder of conversion and how we have to take it seriously. I think today's youth faces hardship, especially hardship with everything that we have to live with, everything we have to battle with. It's hard to take conversion seriously when the whole world tells you that you shouldn't, that you're crazy, and Our Lady just comes here to talk about peace and joy. So it feels amazing to be here, be back here, and I'm really excited to what Jesus has prepared for all of us this following days. I think every time I've come here I've had a different experience, so I really don't have many expectations, but I'm sure that Our Lady and Jesus have something very special prepared for all of us.